the Vanity. This is a vanity desk, and what this is like a tri-folding vanity desk. I think it's got like 7 drawers on it. It's got a little cushion stool with it, and it's a pretty wide size. I think it's around about 56 inches wide and about 46 inches high. But you know what? We don't know that yet because we haven't taken it out of the box. Now I'm going to go ahead and build this whole thing out here in my kind of close to my porch area, and then I'll carry it in the house because it's not that heavy. The box is heavy because everything's collapsed down. Take out everything, lay it out, and then I'll put it together, and I'll come back and tell y'all how easy it was or how difficult it was to get this thing together, and then show you the finished product. So let's go ahead, let's get to assembling now. I went and got me a sharper knife for this video. My other knife it's getting a little dull. I think I've been cutting too much cardboard for you guys. This thing should have came on a pallet and they unloaded it with a forklift. No, I'm just joking. Actually, the UPS guy just carried this up the driveway like it was nothing. Wow, they packaged it really nicely. Look at this, everybody. So all of the packaging is put together nicely there. There's what it's gonna look like. Here's the kind of little, it's a 3 mirrors dresser table is what they're calling it there. You can see the shape and all that on it. Let me go ahead and take all this out because, man, look at all these pieces. There's a lot of pieces to this thing, so it's gonna be a little bit of assembly for y'all. Now, I'm not gonna do a whole assembly video because I would be here for an hour probably just putting screws in a desk. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of like do it all and then come back and show y'all so you can see all of the parts and pieces there and how you put it together. So you know what, I'm used to putting furniture together, so let's go. Okay, everybody, I just opened the box, and you see why I decided to do it out here kind of on my front lawn area. Look at how many parts and pieces are to this thing. So it's not going to be like a quick assembly, as you can see. So what I did, I laid all the mirrors over here, so I know that's the mirrors because I can obviously look at them. And then here's all of the little small parts and pieces. Now, it seems like they did label each and every one of these pieces. If you look, if it's not on the front and back, it's on the ends right here. You see how that's 37, that's 28, and then there was a box of hardware here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go by their instructions here and just open. So I've got step 1, and you see how they have it labeled, and then the screwing it down. It looks like I need to go get a Phillips head screwdriver, and that might be it. That's all I really need. And then it's just going through all the steps. So I'm going to follow the steps. You know what? We'll see how it goes. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just got it assembled. So it took around about maybe 2 hours, maybe a little more than 2 hours, and I recommend having a partner to do this. I'm used to putting furniture together, so it wasn't that bad for me, but you had to assemble all of the drawers. Everything is labeled. It just takes a long time. Actually, I got 2 screwdrivers, so having 2 screwdrivers, a long one and a short one, definitely help in my knife here for just random stuff like popping things out, and that's also a pair of pliers. The assembly instructions look complicated at first, but surprisingly went very well. I was impressed with it, and what I had to do was put all of this right here together. All of this is installed. They use these little tiny screws right here, and I have this black 0 drill. Now, I don't recommend using a drill, but this drill is made for very light duty work. So I was able to use that on some of them, but you know what, 90% of this I put together using my screwdrivers there. And what I had to do was assemble all of this right here. I did everything according to their instructions, even put these little guys in right here. You just set them on there, screw them in. This right here will screw to the wall and hold it on the wall. Every one of these things, you basically, the screws insert and you twist them on. If you've ever done furniture, you kind of know what this is. Now this, I just kind of like left tied up. This is the light for the mirror, and here's the cord. I actually plugged it into my Veto Man there, and it looks like it's pulling nothing right now. Actually, let's go check it out. This is where you're gonna hang a hairdryer. And I like this little stool. So this little stool, I had to assemble all this. The hinges are adjustable. Oh, by the way, let's do it. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different light settings, and the light's only in this main one. Now these side mirrors, you're gonna have to remember to adjust your hinges. They did have that in the instructions to loosen that and loosen that. So see how, and watch out what these hinges do actually, look. They don't slam. See how you can have that up like that? Now, because this is a 3-way mirror, so you can bring in all of them like this. See how they come in? A little more adjustment, but there's all 3 ways right there. That is awesome. I like that. And same way on these doors too. A lot of storage in this thing. See how I close it? Very slow to do. And the same thing with, I think it does it with this guy too. Watch. See how it just kind of slowly goes down. It looks like it has 5 drawers in it, two small ones and 1 large one in the middle with this divider. Like I said, you're gonna have to put all of this together. This thing came out looking really well. I recommend this thing. I think it's a great option for anyone that just needs a good vanity cabinet to carry all your makeup, or just basically maybe even like a little small desk for working on projects and stuff. I think it'll work great for that. Oh, there is 2 USBs right here and 2 power outlets right here for a hairdryer, a curling iron, or something like that. So you don't have to plug it into the wall. You just plug this one cord into the wall, and then you can plug whatever you need into here and use it. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Air and Knee vanity cabinet. See you on the next video.